table about to turn. Yeah. I've been flipping through my timeline, trying to get my mind right. My city cried out, I got to cool down, but I'm under pressure. Cooking with my Crisco, look at what my fists go. A renegade when I'm in a rage. I got to cool down, but I'm under pressure. I keep my hands dirty, my mind clean. Got a new agenda with a new dream. I'm kicking out the old regime. Liberation, elevation, education. America, you a lie, but the whole world about to testify. I said the whole world about to testify. And the table's about to, the table's about to turn, turn, turn. Ain't gonna stop until it turn, turn, turn. No, I stop it to turn, turn, turn. We can't wait for it to turn. Yeah, the table got to turn. There's a boomerang booming back. Yeah, you laid an egg, now it's about to hatch. Yeah, you gaslighting, about to meet your match. You f up the kitchen, then you should do the dishes. Burning down plantations. Ain't no parking, I don't need no validation. I light sage when I'm in a rage. I don't need permission, I got my intuition. Hands dirty, mind clean. A different mission with a new dream. We kicking out the old regime. Liberation, elevation, education. I said America.
And yet the dawn is hours before we knew it. Somehow we do it. Somehow we've weathered and witnessed a nation that isn't broken, but simply unfinished. We, the successors of a country and a time where a skinny black girl descended from slaves and raised by a single mother can dream of becoming president, only to find herself reciting for one.
Now we gon' watch the table turn.